Do you always get this warning light that just doesn't want to go away? Or do you need to reset your brake fluid, for instance? Well, this device will sort you out. The UDIAG X-50. Now this is pretty nifty. You get this whole bag or box, or whatever you want to call it. I get my OBD reader over here, so I'm going to plug it in. Did you hear the beep? And then I also get obviously my charging cables, and I get some more cables that I can connect directly to that if it doesn't pick it up via Bluetooth. And I get this beautiful 7-inch tablet. How cool is that? And I can make it stand. Check here. Hey? So while I'm working on the car, I can make it stand. So let's see. I'm going to press OK. Bluetooth. Okay, it's on. Update. We are updating. There, I heard a click there. Update's installed. So now let's go into automatic diagnostic, guys. Okay, let's see. So it should automatically pick up the vehicle. I did download the Honda file, so it should actually pick it up. But even that, I don't even need that. See, codes found 0. Monitors NA, monitors OK, monitors Inc. Okay, that is pretty cool. Let's see, what do I do with settings? Oh, that's cut the screen. And then what's that? Okay, this is my firmware. Okay, check here. So information of vehicle type or year missing. So I can put my own information over there, so it will pick it up. There's my VIN number of the vehicle. So let's quickly go back. What's the VCI if I press on that? So the system is checking the car and it seems everything is perfect. So module transmission control mode, what does that do? System status, read codes, erase codes, live data, freeze frame. There's quite a few things that I can do on here which are pretty nifty. And then what's that? DTC look up. And then let's go escape, module engine control modes, read codes, erase codes. So same here. What's the live data? Let's see. So this is a brand new car. There won't be any faults. Complete list. So it tells me even here, number of DTCs, fuel system 2. So it's checking every single thing for me. Engine RPM, vehicle speed sensor. It's checking everything for me, guys, and I can record it. That is awesome. Let's press escape, custom list, fuel system status. So I can choose if I want to just work on the fuel system status. So let's quickly see. It doesn't show me anything on the fuel system status over here. What's the values, like metrics? Yo, that is very cool. So the graph merge, graphs, that is very cool. Long-term fuel trim, let's see. Bank 1. Yeah, there's a lot of information that I do not know. I don't know what that is, but it's very cool. Engine coolant temperature, let's check. Currently my temperature is at 62 degrees. I can literally see everything on this car. Vehicle speed sensor, intake air temperature, okay. 42 degrees. You can go into so much detail with this device to check everything on your vehicle. Time since engine start. Let's see what that is. So 0.63533 seconds, or whatever that case, whatever that means. Accelerator pedal position D. Okay. Yeah, gives me the percentage and everything. I don't even know what all of this means, but you guys out there that are the mechanics that know how to work with these things, you can literally sort everything out on this device. And what I do like is, if I go back home now, are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Let's go into UDIAG. And if I go in here, I've got a functions list. So let's go to Honda. So these are some extra functions that I have on the device as well. So let's go Honda, let's go diagnosis, CVT, ABS, let's see, live data, read code, special functions. Here's some special functions: neutral test, pulsar test, mode clear, solenoids. Yo, there's so many things that I can check on this vehicle. Read code. Maintenance, let's say Honda. Let's see, battery reset, ABS bleeding, immobilizer programming, oil service light reset, coolant, power balance, transport, brake pad replacement. Guys, this is such a nifty device, and the fun fact about all of this is it's just an Android device. So you can load some extra apps on here if you need to. This device can also have a camera plugged in and everything, so you can really go into detail with certain things. See, there's my video scope. So many cool things that I can do with this diagnostic system over here, even for EV vehicles. You can check all my EV vehicles over here. So click on the link below, or if you're on Instagram or TikTok, you can just copy paste the link and get your UDIAG today. Use my coupon code for some extra discount on this device. You can get it for $699, and there's a lot that you can do with pretty much every single car out there and any year model, as long as you have an OBD2 reader. So make sure you get your UDIAG X-50 tool today.